Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CJ Affiliate app for link management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the CJ Affiliate app for link management, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the app store that corresponds to your device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. For Android users, head to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type CJ Affiliate. Look for the official CJ Affiliate app in the search results. Make sure it is the correct app by checking the developer name. Tap on the app to open its details page. Here, you will see an option to install or download the app. On iOS devices, tap the Get button. On Android devices, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the CJ Affiliate app. If prompted, grant necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Next, sign in using your CJ Affiliate account credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your profile. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. You can now start managing your affiliate links effortlessly. Explore various features to enhance your link management. You are all set to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts using the CJ Affiliate app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.